Okay, your front right part of your vehicle, take your tire off, and then I got a video showing how to take your windshield washer fluid reservoir out. Take that out, and then behind that is a giant snail. So that cool thing right there, look at that. Look at that cool gizmo. That's about the coolest thing I've ever seen. Let's look at it. Okay, move the electrical connector and the line that gets the washer fluid, and you'll have this electrical connector right here. You'll have the negative battery terminal disconnected to the negative battery cable to the negative terminal in the battery. I already have that disconnected, and then this, pull that off. That's that electrical connector, and then the fastener is right up here. So I'm gonna get that here in a minute. Okay, it's a 10mm. Got it on there, and prepare to catch it. Get my, if I get a hand in here. Oh, I don't want to touch the camera. Alright. 10mm socket, 3/8 inch drive, ratchet drive. It was pretty tough at first because it's one of those bolts that's underneath the car. So I'm gonna get that off there. It's coming. That's what she said. Connector. Okay, that took a while to get loose, but here that is. Alright, flam. Alright, we got some numbers here, so type in the numbers you see on there. Ooh, we got some more numbers. So here's that bracket with the bolt. And oh, number's still upside down. A little rusted back there. Alright. Alright, made in Italy. Nice. There's numbers. It says ABS. ABS. Brake system. Bulb system 35717, whatever. But that's that. That's how you remove that. And then you can also take off this little bracket if you wanted to right here. And yeah, it looks like a. Okay, that's how you remove it. And to install it is reversal of installation. So you get that bolt ready, bolt it right back on there, and then connect that electrical connection back up right here, and then connect the battery back up. So you use the 10mm. That's how you do that. I'm not going to insult your knowledge, but that's how you do it. And it's pretty simple. No, it's not. I wouldn't say it's simple, but it's really tricky to get maneuvered up in here to get the bolt on. I took off the tire to get easier access, and it's behind the. After you get this back on there, you're going to have to put the washer reservoir back on there. Windshield washer reservoir. There it is. There's the hole. I was looking for it. Alright, let's get that back on there. Where you at? Looking for the hole. That's what she said. She's like, you're looking for that hole all day. All day long you're looking for that hole. And you finally find it. And you're like, woohoo. Success. There it is. Alright. Let me hand tighten it so I'm gonna get that camera see if I can get my arm around here through the tripod. Here, you hang out over here. There we go. Now I got room. Now I got room to put it back on here. Looks like a snail. Alright. Okay, once you have that on there, get your electrical connector and put that back on. Alright. Okay, once you get that on there, connect your electrical connector back up. There, that's on there. And now you time to put your pump here, reservoir. Put your reservoir and windshield wiper reservoir back up in there. Hook that back up, connect the battery back up, and you are good to go. Fill that. Forget to fill that back up. That's how you remove and install your horn or replace it. There it is, front right, underneath the front part of your car. Thank you very much.